Hello and welcome back. So guys, I've deleted all the other ULs from there. You can see that I just left only the UL3 because I just want this one because it has a float left. Okay, you know about the float left, that what it can do, it actually made all these elements in a single line. Perfect. Well, I updated the content too for these LIs. I just made them home, software, music, article, and contact us. Basically, I'm just gonna about to making the navigation bar. Okay, so I'm just making the navigation bar in the LI because this is the most perfect way to do that. But from where we should start? We should go there, and first of all, we have to add the background color. I'm adding the orange as the background color right now, and going to the browser and refresh. Now, I just didn't apply the background color to the UL3, but I just applied the background color to the LIs. But because they are too near and almost attached with each other, that's why you can see the orange color without any break. But if I just made an enter, and if I just add a margin around 10px, save and refresh, now you can see that they are a little far with each other and looking perfect. Do you want the margin from the left only? So let's just put the left only and refresh. Now they has no margin from the top, but only on the left only. And right now we just need to put some more things. I'm just making any specific width with these element around 100 pixels of the width for each element. Refresh now. Is it looking perfect or no? But basically it needs, the contact us needs a little more. So 150, yes, and refresh. Now it is looking a little perfect, and the height to around 20 pixels, save and refresh. Now, oh, I just made it small because the font size was 25 pixels, so it should be 30 or 40 pixels in height. Refresh, looking awesome. But there is another best way. Instead of putting the height, you know that the content is on the top. When I just put the height, then I have to manage it to make it center. Why not I just add the padding of 20 pixels, means the 20 pixels from the top, 20 pixels from the bottom, and 20 from left and right. This is looking more beautiful and more awesome. Okay, and the last thing is just put the text align center, save and refresh. Now all the content is in the center, looking beautiful and awesome. Something more we actually need to press enter and the UL3 and the LI of the UL3, and I'm applying the hover. Okay, so in the hover, the background OUND color should be brown, and the color, the text color, should be white. In save and go to the browser, back and refresh. Now hover the mouse, it's looking awesome, just like the navigation. Okay, you can make any style of the navigation, you can choose any style, whatever you prefer. For example, here I'm adding another enter and the border from the left only, 20 pixels, 2 pixels, another 20, 2 pixels with the solid and the orange color. Okay, refresh. Now hover the mouse and it's oh, because of the 2 pixels it's not glowing. The 5 pixels, refresh. Now you can see that it's looking really awesome. Okay, I think it should be 10 to see it more. Refresh. Now hover the mouse. Yeah, exactly, it's now we can look it easily. Okay, so guys, I think you've understood this one, and for making it more beautiful, why not I just put the border from bottom, refresh and hover now. Okay, this is looking more beautiful. Okay, and to make them a real link or the navigation button, we just need to add the A tag, the hash right now, and cover this one, save and refresh. Now you can see that this has become the, you know, the link. But there is a little problem we have, that if I just go to the HTML folder, there is the HTML folder, and in the style.css we just applied the a situations, a states. I'm removing all them and refreshing, saving and refreshing. Now it's the genuine condition. But right now what more I'm just doing, I'm just closing this one, install.css, and just simply pressing enter and the ul3 a, okay, the a of the ul3 a tag. And one thing more I'm doing before applying anything there, I'm just cutting and actually covering the li with the a. Now basically when we hover the mouse nothing happens, but when we just hover the mouse on specifically on the home text, it became the link. But now the whole area is the link now, okay, the whole button, just click anywhere on it's the link. But something more we need to do is to change the color, just because we just applied the a to the li. So you can see that most of the things are adjusted and it has no underline effect, but it's in a purple color. So to make them more beautiful, I just simply call the a instead of the you know that we just didn't put any background color there, so I'm just putting the sorry, not the background color, the simple color there. So I'm just putting the color on the a and I'm just putting the black as the color. Save and go to the browser and refresh. Now you can see that it's looking awesome, okay, and in this way it's the true link. Just simply what to do, just simply copy this one, paste there, there, and there, and there, and do the same with copy, paste, paste, and paste, and paste, and save and refresh. Now all of them are the true links. So in this way we can create the beautiful navigation. I think you've got all these things I just teach you. We'll meet in the next class. Stay tuned and good.